Hello friends, on this video how you can use YouTube, or you have YouTube problem, you cannot use YouTube. Okay, there is a problem or you don't know how to use YouTube, then how you can use on it. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, if you have YouTube problem, then just press your YouTube. After you press your YouTube, here you can see app info. Just tap on app info. Okay, when you click on app info, from here you have to click on storage usage. Okay, after that, from here you have to click on clear data. You have to clear data and clear cache. Okay, then after you clear on it friends, if you don't find this option, then you can move on setting. After that, from here you just scroll on the down to app management, click on app management, and from here you can check this one, app list. Okay, app list, and from here you can search for the YouTube. Okay, tap on YouTube, then from here you are going to find the same options. Okay, storage usage, so clear this two icons, no need this one. Then after that, click on home screen button, and from here your YouTube will be work. Okay, and if it doesn't work, then friends, check Play Store. Then after that, here you have to check your YouTube. Okay, so you can search for YouTube also, or you can just directly move on here on your ID. And here's the update. Okay, so friends, if there is the update, do not forget to update your YouTube. Okay, if you don't update your YouTube will not work, okay, properly. It will hang by itself. Okay, that's why you have to update your YouTube. Okay, that's why my YouTube also was not working, and right now it will work because I have updated it. Okay, see here, it's 100%. And after update, right now you can use your YouTube. Okay, you just need to tap on open and your YouTube will work, but it's right now installing, so I cannot tap on open. But here you have to wait for it. If you have faced this problem, then friends, you can wait for it. And friends, if you don't know how to use YouTube, then here I'll show you till the end. Okay, how you can use YouTube. Okay, so when it's installing, you can right now tap on your YouTube. Okay, I think you cannot tap on it because it's installing right now, that's why you cannot tap on it. Okay, so that's why friends, do not forget to update your YouTube. Okay, here it has finished to update, and after that, tap on open. Your YouTube will be work successfully. See here, my YouTube, it's working. Okay, so friends, this is the subscription. If you want to check subscription, here's the home, and here's the short if you want to watch short, and here's the your account, and just click on all. When you click on all, your subscription will see in here. Okay, if you want to check your subscriptions, okay, to whom you subscribe. And if you want to upload videos, then here is the icons, plus icon, and through from here you can upload videos. Okay, so friends, I hope you loved the video of your YouTube is working, and hope you understand how you can use YouTube on your Oppo mobile phone or any device. And friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.